welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. So today's video, we're gonna talk about this lovely wig that your girl is wearing. I'm pretty sure you have heard of the company UNice. I want to say UNice because baby, you're gonna be looking nice with this particular unit, okay? They are everywhere on the YT. Prior to them reaching out wanting me to try their unit, I've seen tons and tons of reviews that people raved about this particular company. So I was really honored when they reached out to me and asked if I would review this unit that I'm currently wearing now. So this here is called the Pre-Plug Virgin Hair Body Wave HD Lace Closure 5x5 wig. This is the natural hair color that it came in. I love how black it is. I don't know about you, Chad, but I'm really fond of like one dark jet black hair, and it seems like that's what this is. My most favorite thing about this unit is the curl pattern, sis. Do you see this? I did not do any type of altering to this hair. I tried to do as minimal as possible because I wanted you to be able to see the real deal Holyfield, okay? I wanted you to know that you can literally get a wig from a company straight out of the box, put it on your head, and go. I've been hearing a lot about a 5x5 closure. Oh, I see how you looking, sis. You don't know what a 5x5 closure is. Let me just drop that tea real quick. Basically, it's how much parting space you will have in a unit. Normally, I believe they are like 4x4, which is about this much. But 5x5, sis, right up in here. You can do a deep L part. You can do a little part over here to the right, to the left, wherever you please. I'm really not one of those ones that like middle parts, but I wanted to keep it this way because this is how it arrives, sis. I know, you surprised too? I didn't have to do no plucking, zero plucking. So when they say it come pre-plugged, they are absolutely right. Look at this parting space. I'm giving scalp. And I also received this in a 180 density, which I really feel like is pretty thick. Thick enough for me. I don't like to look like a little chip head. I don't like to look like a little wet dog either with it just laying there. But I love the volume that this is giving. As far as length goes, I got this unit in a 22-inch. But honey, this thing go all the way up to 40. Okay, so you can be on your Rapunzel if that's what you prefer. My head circumference is a 22 or 21, something like that. So if you in the midst of that, this will be perfectly fine. It fit from ear to ear with no problem. It had a little lace that I had to cut off. As you can see here on the screen, I show you the cap construction. I believe it included 3 combs. And it also has an elastic band in the back, and they included an additional elastic band if you wanted to add that on. It did not arrive bleach. It did not arrive the same complexion or tone that I would personally like to wear on my head. Now, I did whip out my handy dandy tanning spray, honey, that I use as a base tint. But you could probably also just use your powder. Once I added that tanning spray, honey, we was in business. Because at first was the math wasn't matching. Or should I say the lace wasn't matching. I personally feel like I probably can go in and do a little bit more thinning of this little area right here. But again, I wanted to come as natural as possible, showing you that you can wear it as just like this. And it still looks bomb. I personally like to go in and thin it out a little bit because a lot of us ain't blessed when it comes to edges, okay? So I like to go in and thin mine out just to make it a little bit more believable. They say that this is HD lace. Now, when I did lay it down with my freeze, it did melt right on into the scalp with no problem. So, I mean, if they say it's HD, baby, then it's HD. If you're curious, this is how the packaging arrives. And it has their little logo here. And inside they included some goodies. They also have this little travel bag. So if you ladies is into taking your wigs with you while you traveling, babes, you surely can. It also included a wig cap, some lashes, the elastic bag, a necklace, and just a nice little goodie bag that I really appreciated inside of your packaging. This installation was so simplistic and so quick. This unit does not come with any baby hairs. Nada. None. which is fine with me because I'm not really big on baby hairs. I know a lot of y'all like to take these baby hairs and connect them with your eyebrows and bring them down to your nose. I like to have mine as natural as possible. I just went in on the side and kind of like, just to kind of cover the lace. I might even do that here as well. When I tell you there was no smells, no corn chip smells, I didn't get into that. I'm gonna keep it 100. I did notice a little shedding. It was not clumps and clumps of shedding. It wasn't leaving a trail of you was walking somewhere somebody could find you because you done left your hair behind. It wasn't that extensive, but there is shedding. But honey, your own hair sheds. So I mean, that's just natural. I have not worn this unit for maybe I think I had it on for maybe 2 days now. So if you want me to do an update, I can. But so far, so good. But we all know that's how it always start off, honey. Okay, that's relationships, friendships, whatever. It always start off good, honey. Back here in the nape, everything is just easy breathing. Look how this thing just goes smooth like butter. Straight through the hair. Smooth like butter. And as you can see, I'm not getting any type of hair. I did also notice that the hair was a little thirsty, honey. I love my units to shine. Shine bright like a diamond. So what I did was added some of my little coconut oil, argan oil to the hair. I also noticed on this wig that they have the hair go all the way thick straight down. So the same energy they have here at the top, honey, they got the same energy all the way down to the end. You ever got a wig and it's just stringly and thin and all that at the end, at the bottom? No worries with this one though. Raise your hand, nod your head, do something, wink your eye. If you ever got a unit, it started off as body wave, and then as you started styling it, it just went straight on you. The pattern didn't pop. I was really surprised that these waves are giving what it's supposed to give, honey. Okay, let me turn around for the people them can see. Now this length is about mid-back. I am 5'10" though, so if you new here, your girl part of the stallion gang, I need a lot of inches in order for it to be pretty long. So if you're shorter than me, probably it'll be to your butt. Another thing I really liked was that this unit did not have a bunch of flyaways, honey. That's my biggest pet peeve. It's really not much more I can say about this unit, so this is a short but sweet one because that's what it gave. If you made it to the end of this video, boo, I want you to go ahead and drop this emoji here in the comments. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. And before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Girl, it's never a dull moment here. I promise you'll enjoy yourself. If you're interested in getting this unit or any unit from their site, be sure to use my coupon code. I'll put it here for you. If you tried Eunice hair, please drop it down there in the comments and let me know your experience. Share with the people them. Everybody go straight to the comments. I want to thank Eunice hair so very much for sending this unit over, and I want to thank you, yes, you, for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.